Hello boys and girls, today we're going to be looking at verbs. Do you remember what a verb is? Let's have a look at Veronica Verb and see if you can remember what verbs are. Hi, my name is Veronica Verb. I love to move and I'm always busy doing different actions. So do you remember what a verb is? Okay, let's have a look at some pictures on the next few pages to try and work it out. What is a verb? Jump, clap, sing, cry, laugh. Can you turn to whoever's in the room with you and tell them what you think a verb is? That's right. Verbs are action words. They describe what someone is doing. So let's have a look at these sentences and see if you can find the verb. I want you to call out the verb when you hear me read the sentence. Tom painted his picture. What word in that sentence is an action word, is a doing word? What is it? Painted. Good. Annie brushed her hair. What word is the action word? Brushed. Very good. So that's the verb. Can you now pause the video and read the next three yourself? See if you can find the verbs. Pause the video now. Well done. Were you able to find the verbs? Did you shout them out? Great. Now, can you all turn to and open up your Away with Words? And can you open it on page 80? Pause the video until you do that and also get your sharp pencil and rubber ready. Okay, let's look at the title. Action words. Another word for action words are verbs. Good. So let's look at the pictures. The plane. The plane flew across the sky. Can you call out the verb? Flew. Well done. Rabbits eat carrots. Where's the action word there? What is it? Eat. Well done. The words flew and eat are action words. They're verbs. Let's read this list of action words. Pause the video and read them with your helper at home. Great. Let's look at the sentences now. You can write the verb into your book. You do not need to write the sentence into your copy today. Now that we've read through all the words in the blue box, were there any that you didn't understand? If there were, can you turn to your helper at home and ask them to explain it to you? Perhaps nag was one. Nag means to annoy. Okay, let's have a look. Number one. It took a long time to something the pyramids in Egypt. What do you think that might be? Have a look through your words and see if it fits. It took a long time to burn the pyramids in Egypt? No. To bake the pyramids in Egypt? No. To grow the pyramids in Egypt? Don't think so. What verb do you think will fit in this sentence? How about build? It took a long time to build the pyramids in Egypt. Yes, I think that fits. So copy the word and write it in on the blue line. Only when you have read the sentence in your head and then read it out loud, including the verb, to make sure it makes sense, and you're sure, then write it into your sentence. Number two, you use flour to something bread. Again, go through each word if you're not sure and see does it fit. When you have a guess, say this full sentence out loud. When you're sure, write in your verb, your action word. Then you can continue on to be. Write the action word you see in each sentence. So let's read carefully. The horse galloped across the field. Let's remind ourselves, what's an action word, a verb, a doing word? So the horse is doing the action. And what action is he making? He is galloping. So galloped, we will write on this line here. I think you'll be well able to do all of these by yourself. And C. This is the part that you like the best, I think. Write the correct word under each picture. Make sure you read both words before you make your choice. Good. Well done. Can you think of another verb that wasn't on this page? A different action word, an interesting action word. And if you do, can you write it here so we can see it? Well done, everybody.